What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do the installation of the Esfera WR remote wall fan from V-Guard. So this one comes with 40 mm sweep and it has the RPM which is 1350 and it comes with 2-year warranty. The main thing why I purchased this is because of the remote control, and it has a good 5-star rating in Amazon, and considering the 2-year warranty, I think this could be a best choice, mainly for indoor use and also where your ceiling fan is not able to reach with proper airflow. So in the box, I've opened the box. So this is how the box looks, and in the box this is the content. So you have the main motor and the hub, the screws to mount the fan, and also the remote control, the blade, and also the housing for the blade. Type of fiber which is good quality, and especially I took this bright color so that it stands out and looks a little interesting, mainly in the room where your wall is a plain wall. So this is what the box content is. Sadly, we don't get batteries in the remote control, so that is something which we have to put it, but this is what the box content is. So now let's check out the installation process. And before we go ahead with the installation, we also get the warranty manual, and in this there's a self-instruction guide as to how this fan has to be fitted, so that also is something neat. So just make sure that the guard screw which goes on top of the motor, that is placed after you place the outer frame. So this is how the outer frame goes, and there are grooves to fit the outer frame, and also there's some extension blockers which hold the groove so it doesn't flip around. And to this you put the guard mount like this. This is where at the back of the fan, this is the clip which goes to the wall, and this is where the clip rests inside the fan like this. So that's how you need to fix it. And there is again tilt adjustment, and also the tilt is this side and also up and down. So that's how it works. The buttons on the fans looks like this. So they are a clicky type, and all are indicated. So there is an indication for all the buttons, and also this is the remote, how it looks. So now let's see the tilt motion. This is how it tilts, and the fan oscillates like this. So this is how it fits, and yeah. So speed on and off, push it off, and then swing on and off. So it is at low speed, you have a low indication, medium, high, and then you have the time duration for 1.5 hours. So the time duration is from half hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours. So that is where the timer can be set, and then the speed is low, medium, and high, and then the swing option is there, timer option is there, and then this wind. So let's check out what is wind. So on the technical specification, yes, the manual has it. So it comes with the single phase AC supply, and the voltage is 230 volts. It comes with the frequency which is rated at 50 Hertz, 55 watt power output, and the sweep is 40 mm as I mentioned, and the fan speed is 1350 mm. There are a couple of controls. So on off, the wind is basically, it automatically sets the wind speed from low to medium, and it sets it at a regular interval so that you feel as if there's a wind gust. So that's how it works. So the fan speed changes automatically. And then we have the swing option, the power on off option, and the timer option. The same thing is reflecting in the remote as well. And then you have an on off. So this is how it on, and I set it at wind. So the power on off also in the remote also acts as a speed control. So if right now it is at high speed and you press once, it goes to low, medium, high. So let's put it at medium, and let me first turn it off. So as I said, the wind option is it automatically senses a speed from low to high at regular intervals, and on the remote, the on off speed, you can regulate the speed as well. So the on off button can regulate the speed as well. So that's how this V-Guard installation happened, and this is how the features of the V-Guard Esfera RW fan is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and the links to purchase this product is there in the YouTube description notes. Please pick up the fan from there. It will help the channel. And thanks and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.